What's more of a headache for a gamer? Mediocre specs and high price, right? Getting drowned into the ocean of laptops and wondering which would be the most suitable one for gaming. Don't worry, we've got your back this time. As a gamer myself, I've gone through a ton of gaming laptops, reviewing and checking which one would be the best for gaming. After analysing every aspect of laptops, I've picked the best 5 gaming laptops under $700, which are budget friendly too. However, if you wish to see more upgraded stuff, then you can watch our other videos. Links are given down below in the description. Make sure you give us a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on some major tech. Welcome to ChilliTech. Let's go. At number 5 we have the HP Pavilion 15. CPU and GPU. The HP Pavilion 15 focuses on playing the games at your best from anywhere without sacrificing the performance and your dignity. It comes with a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 3550H processor along with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card to uplift your gaming craze and outshine you amongst your opponents. Furthermore, the clock can go up to its max at 3.7 GHz, while the base clock is 2.1 GHz. Also, it has a 4 MB L3 cache and 4 cores to maximise the performances and don't let you be outrageous when gaming. Storage and RAM. The HP Pavilion 15 comes with a 512GB PCIe M2 SSD that has the capability to boot the Windows faster and open up games or applications way quicker than any of the laptops which don't have SSD. It supports DDR4 2400 SD RAMs, which are the latest version of RAMs to speed up your little fellow and sort out your problems that used to fall into the category of being slow. Keyboard and display. The 15.6-inch display gives you the best visualization possible. Needless to say, the 1920 by 1080 resolution would increase the features and put impressive colours and clarity on the table for you. Not to forget the energy efficient WLED backlight that would add more value to the benefit. Additionally, the WLED backlight display is engineered to strategically boost your gaming reflexes, so everything pops up on your screen more clearly. It has a full-size acid green backlit, shadow black island style keyboard along with numeric keypads. It's good for gamers who are most of the time at home and prefer to stay in one place, as its battery could make problems for you because it doesn't last that long. However, it still pretty much gives you good backup time, but it's not helpful when playing games. At number 4 we have the Acer Swift 3, CPU and GPU. The Acer Swift 3 comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 2700U core processor, which can boost its limits up to 3.8 GHz. Another notable thing that cannot be overlooked is the AMD Radeon RX 540 that comes with 2GB of dedicated GDDR5 VRAM for faster performances. These features make it good enough to run games smoothly and with decent quality visuals. Storage and RAM. Apart from the performance, the wonderful Swift 3 comes with 8GB DDR4 onboard memory, which is the latest version of RAM to be used in it to skyrocket the activities on the laptop. Every gamer wants more space to stack up a ton of games in their laptop, and to prevent running out of space, the Acer Swift 3 provides a 256GB SSD. However, you can increase it as well. Keyboard and display. Acer has improved the display as they added the Acer Color Intelligence and the Exacolor so you can get the maximum and enhanced color contrast. The display is 15.6-inch Full HD, which is enough to give a 1920 by 1080 IPS widescreen LED backlit display. Alongside, it comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass. Since the keyboard is where you should feel more comfortable, the Acer Swift still has a decent place for your fingers to lay on and enjoy the buttons. Not everything is perfect. The same is the case with the Acer Swift 3. It doesn't give you sound like a rockstar speaker, but it is good only when it's on your laptop or your gaming desk when you're listening to your favourite songs. It's not really recommended for audio heads who are really into hearing loud sounds. At number 3, we have the Asus TUF FX505DY, CPU and GPU. GPU is the foremost thing that a gaming savvy looks for before buying, and the TUF FX505DY is armed with the latest AMD Ryzen processor RX 560X 4GB GDDR5 and Ryzen 5 3550H CPU, just to give you a higher gaming performance along with multitasking. Storage and RAM. Storage and RAM is the second most crucial thing in a laptop for gamers, and the TUF FX505DY comes with a 256GB M2 SSD that surely helps you to open up the applications and boot Windows at a faster pace. Additionally, the 8GB DDR4 RAM would add some more value in the speed of the laptop to make things happen really quickly, although the RAM could be extended up to 32GB and the SSD up to 512GB. Keyboard and display. The Asus TUF FX505DY's keyboard is, however, desktop inspired, which brings up the quality and comfort you get from a desktop keyboard, says Asus. Also, the good thing for gamers about the keyboard is that the WASD keys are highlighted, although if you're on an OG, then you wouldn't find it helpful except for its dope look. On top of that, it features a 15.6-inch IPS LCD screen that has full HD resolution. Not only that, but it has a non-glare matte finish as well, which makes it outshine amongst the odds. Comprising a 77% screen to body ratio alongside 120Hz refresh rate, and the IPS level nano edge display provides you the top-notch engaging visuals. Apart from the good specs and gameplay it provides, there are a couple of things that didn't please us. It had some problems with the display as it was dim and wasn't pleasing when we took it outside in the sunlight. Alongside that, the loud fan noise while gaming, and no USB Type-C and no SD reader. But it's still a good gaming laptop in this price range. However, if you're looking for more upgraded and better performing laptops in terms of gaming, then check out the best gaming laptops under $1,200 in 2021. Link is given in the description below. At number 2, we have the Dell Inspiron 15.6-7200U, CPU and GPU. The Dell Inspiron 15 comprises the UHD 630 integrated graphics, which is also easily found in other 8th and 9th generation Intel H processors. Needless to say, it can smoothly run the most basic 3D games. But the H-series Intel chips can be used in high-performance laptops along with dedicated gaming video cards, which eliminates the low performance of the UHD 630. Not to forget that it has an Intel Core i5-9300 quad-core 9th generation processor, along with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 3GB that significantly improves its performance in terms of multitasking, gaming and editing, etc. Storage and RAM. The RAM in this machine is a standard 8GB. But the good part is it's upgradable, so you can, by spending a little more money, get more performance out of it. With that, it will allow you to have irresistibly smooth and responsive multitasking. To uplift its speed, performance and response time, a 256GB M2 PCIe SSD is included as well. Keyboard and display. The keyboard on this laptop appears to be a bit shallow as compared to others, and the keys are loose and feel cheap, which makes them even shallower than they actually are. With a 1080p resolution and 15.6 inches, it still doesn't fall in the average displays list because the display is blurry and doesn't reflect the true colours of the video, picture or game. But don't worry about the display, If you want a laptop with a 144Hz refresh rate, then you can hop into our video on best gaming laptops under $1,000 with 144Hz display to see which one satisfies you. We figured out that its display is terrible as it is blurry and dim. Since it has a 1080p resolution, it still doesn't manage to provide a clear look. According to Laptop Mag, the screen covers only 67% of the sRGB colour gamut, which means it falls below the mainstream laptop average. At number 1, we have the Acer Nitro 2020, CPU and GPU. It's time to diminish other laptops in the gaming era with the Acer Nitro 5, as it consists of AMD Ryzen 5 2500U processor. Alongside this, it features multi-threaded processing for streaming, gaming, editing, etc. To give you an overview of the GPU, this sicko laptop comprises 8-way processing that encourages you to try your favourite games played at a smoother and faster pace. It has 4GB GDDR5 AMD Radeon RX 560X dedicated graphics card for better results. Also, you will encounter the most enhanced AI gaming experience with the most realistic textures and graphics. What else can you ask from a gaming laptop? Storage and RAM. Not only that, but you can also configure your laptop and push its limits to the max, because it can support up to 32GB of DDR4 RAM and have more than enough space with 2 slots for M2 PCIe SSDs. The SSDs along with the DDR4 RAM skyrocket the performance of the laptop in terms of opening applications and games, and undoubtedly eliminate lagging. It comes with entry-level specs of 8GB DDR4 RAM along with 1TB HDD. Keyboard and display. As far as the display is concerned, now you can easily enjoy games in awesome details with sharper visuals of 15.6-inch FHD IPS display. Say farewell to the blur gameplay and adore the 1920 by 1080 resolution that will let you enjoy each and every second of the game with smooth movement, clarity and impressive colours. Who wouldn't want some fancy keyboard that would outshine your product's existence? The top tier RGB keyboard will please your eyes with its mind-boggling look. To make things easier for you, the WASD keys are already highlighted to figure them out effortlessly. If this one seems to be out of your budget, you can check out the best gaming laptops under $500. The link is given in the description below. Don't forget to follow us on all our other socials where we share updates too. Also, if you liked the video and want to see more, why not give us a like, hit the subscribe button and give our channel a follow too. Adios amigos.